Hey there, it's Chrissy from Events by Chrissy, and welcome to my channel. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with our next video. In today's video, we are doing a quick time lapse of a decor setup that we did for a 70th birthday party. If you watched our previous videos, you'll see that we did do some DIYs with the charger plates and some items with our Cricut. So make sure you stay tuned. Those videos will be tagged in the description box below so that you can see exactly what's going on. The event space that we are working in today is located in Ajax, just off Wesley and Bailey. It is called the Party Decor Event Space. We will leave their information in the description box below if you would like to contact them. And here you can see we are just setting up our tables. We are including black charger plates, yellow linen napkins in bright yellow. If you had watched our previous video where we were talking about our little disaster with the florist, unfortunately we were not able to locate 9 mini orchids for this event, but we were able to find 3 large orchids and add in some smaller arrangements of yellow and white flowers. Here we are just blowing up balloons. We'll do a separate video where you can see the whole balloon stall that's not time-lapsed, and we can give you a step-by-step. But the colors that we are using in this video are bright yellow, white, and black. And we are using 12-inch balloons, 5-inch balloons, and 26-inch balloons. In total, we used maybe about 400 balloons. You can see relatively easy how we do it. Very simple. They are in clusters of 8, and we are stacking them and tying them together with 260 balloons. So the long slim balloons that they use for balloon animals. Oops, almost knocked over a letter. But yeah, we're just going to keep on building and building and building, and then we are going to add it onto our drape and pipe backdrop stand in order to have them stay in place and not worry about them being knocked over by any subtle movements. Now that the base of our balloon structure is complete, we're going to go back with our 12-inch balloons, and we're going to blow them up in various sizes and add a few 26 inches. And we are just going to fill in any gaps that we see here and there, just to fill it up more so that it is not as gappy, if gappy is even a word, so that the spaces are filled in. And as you can see, it brings the garland to life a little bit more. And here we have it, the final completed look of the event space. Again, the colors are bright yellow, white, and black. Absolutely gorgeous. Our client loved it. Her mother loved it. It was her mother's 70th birthday that we were celebrating, and everyone had an amazing time. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to go ahead and support our channel, please make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted every time that we post a new video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.